It's just after 8 a.m. and the kids have already had breakfast. And then we're, what? Well, breakfast 1, then we're going to have breakfast 2.
And then we're gonna have lunch. Are we gonna have lunch?
The waffles will be our lunch because we're doing kind of a brunch with Miss Emmeline and Mr. Andrew. We're gonna make some pumpkin spice oat waffles. I don't care that it's spring. Give me all that pumpkin spice. Two hands for the big pieces. Why don't you guys just work one space at a time, okay? I got this gorgeous hutch from a place in Port Richey called Junk Co. If you have not been there, you've got to check it out. They are also on Facebook. They go live all the time. I filled it up with a few things that I already had and then a few things that I picked up at Salvation Army. What I did was I took, dust all of the items off too if it needs to be dusted.
We need to dust everything.
Before the girls got started, I took a picture of what the hutch should look like when it's done so that they can place everything back in the correct spot. Very good. Gosh, this looks so pretty just sitting on the table. That sunlight coming in, so pretty. I actually just washed that yesterday, so you don't have to dust it. I'll show you another beautiful hutch that I got from Junk Co. That candelabra thingy I got from Salvation Army so many years ago for like $1. And this hutch is so pretty from Junk Co. Real wood. It's so hard to get real wood anymore. You search something on Wayfair or Amazon and like the first thing that comes up when you're looking for furniture is laminate wood. And it is very sad. I'll go ahead and showcase this gorgeous table that my cousin's husband actually made with his own 2 hands. Isn't that beautiful? I love to mix and match chairs at a table. I've had these wooden chairs for many, many years. I've actually collected a few more. The last house we lived in, there were like 4 white versions of those chairs that just kind of were in the house already. We kind of inherited them from the last person, and I've painted them over the years. Anytime they get either chippy or just worn down looking, I just repaint them. Sometimes I change the color, sometimes I match the color if I really liked it. And then these wood chairs I got from probably Craigslist, I think. 10 years ago maybe. And they originally had this like, here, I'll show you the bottom. They had this kind of like yellow and blue checker pattern that I immediately refurbished, refabricated, fabritized these. And all you need is some fabric and a staple gun and a half hour. I actually have several layers of this fabric because we have kids and we've had so many kids. I think there have been at least 3. Oh, I see another one. 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th layer of fabric I put on. Somebody give me suggestions as to what I do with this. Like, it's awful. I hate it. I guess that's why people have entertainment centers, but we have a piano where our entertainment center would be. That's our TV. That was our little splurge when we moved in. Got a good deal on the frame. And we love it because people actually come into the house and say, oh, I love that picture. And we're like, it's actually a TV. It has that tiny little cord that you can actually, I think, put behind the wall if you really want to, but I just put a picture in front of it. This is really fun. I made this using, this fabric is actually one of the fabric layers that used to be on my dining chairs. And then this is just a picture that I printed off of the internet. just on a piece of regular printer paper, glued it all together. Also got that from Junk Co. This little chest.
Mama,
We keep toys in there.
where did you get this piano from?
Speaking of things that we inherited, we actually inherited that piano also in our last home. That was amazing. This piano was like 60 years old and it sounds so, so good. For this chest, when you lift it up, Andrew installed this little doohickey from Amazon because it slammed down and I didn't want tiny fingers getting injured. So this goes like super slow now. Yeah. Whoops, and there go the pillows.
I got it.
Those big fluffy pillows are from Marshall's. I love this swivel chair because when my nursing friends come over, it's very easy for them to swivel in any direction when I'm in the kitchen or I move to the living room. They can just swivel and chit chat with me. What I'd love to do is put like a little lace trim on the bottom of this because I'm not crazy about how that lining doesn't come to the bottom and you kind of see the swivel underneath. That bothers me. I've been thinking of going to Hobby Lobby and getting some lace trim to do it. How cottagey would that look? Come on. I wrote that in chalk probably 6 years ago.
You wrote that?
Yeah, in chalk. That's why it's coming off because it's been through 3 houses, I think. It's been through 2 moves and 3 houses and I kept that.
If we dust that, it will come
Oh yeah, definitely don't dust that. And this is our messy basket of shoes that the kids don't actually put away properly. Got that also at Junk Co.
How did you
This is our little entryway.
bubbles?
Huh?
How did you make cottage soap bubbles?
Oh, hi, Kat. Good morning.
Morning, Cat. Morning, Cat.
Sleepy girl.
What we had? I forgot about you passed breakfast.
It's okay. We can make her something.
Did you erase it?
This is the door to the garage. I made that.
That's
really
not
pretty.
mine. That's canvas, I guess. This is, I think, a gravestone.
It's not a gravestone. Oh, I can't remember where I got that. It was at a little shop years ago, I think in Dunedin. Here, it's very heavy. That right there. This is one of my little funny tips. This used to be white. I got that at a little shop, I believe in Sayville, Long Island, many years ago. And I wanted it to have a pop of color when we started painting our walls a more neutral. And I just grabbed the kids' watercolors. And the wood didn't have a finish on it, so it absorbed the watercolors really well. So I just kind of mixed some colors together, got this really pretty robin's egg blue color. We even have my biggest kid helping. What part of don't you understand? The boys are being so helpful.